working with vinyl cutting or die cutting projects and got a KNK file. These are cutting documents from KNK Studio software for craft cutters. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these KNK Studio cutting document files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the KNK format. Details below. Details. KNK files are cutting document files created by KNK Studio software used with Klic-N-Kut craft cutting machines and similar vinyl cutters. They contain vector cutting paths, material specifications, cutting parameters, and design layouts used for creating vinyl decals, stencils, paper crafts, and other cut material projects. KNK files use KNK Studio's proprietary format, storing vector path definitions, cut line coordinates, material, thickness, specifications, cutting force parameters, and design layout data. The structure includes cutter configuration metadata, path optimization information, and project settings, following the application's documented cutting document specification. The guiding principle for opening KNK is to use KNK Studio Klic-N-Kut from AccuGraphics Sales Inkyam KNK. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows offers limited viewing support, so precise editing must be done in compatible vector tools. We're performing an initial software compatibility check. Right-click your KNK file and choose Open With. Test KNK Studio Klic-N-Kut first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a quick solution. If you cannot access the KNK file, no problem. Because your KNK file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, opening in KNK Studio. Launch KNK Studio software and open the cutting document through the File menu. The application displays the complete cutting design with all vector paths, material specifications, and cutting parameters, enabling design editing path optimization and cutter configuration before sending to the cutting machine. Next, sending to cutting machine, connect your Klic-N-Kut cutter via USB or serial port. Then use KNK Studio's Send to Cutter function to begin the cutting process. The software transmits the cutting paths and parameters to the machine, which executes the cuts on the loaded material, producing the designed vinyl or paper output. Finally, converting to other cutter formats. Export KNK files to standard vector formats like SVG or DXF using KNK Studio's export function for use with other cutting software. SVG provides compatibility with Cricut Design Space Silhouette Studio and similar applications, enabling cross-platform craft cutting workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.